Okay, you're gonna be glad that you watched this video today. If you skip sealing your RV's exterior trim, especially around the end cap moldings, you're literally inviting water intrusion into your RV. Because right behind these end cap trims and the molding, water slowly works its way into your RV, behind the walls. This is where all the problems start. And once that happens, oh man, you've got rot, you've got mold, just thousands of dollars of damage happening in your RV. Well, I'm RV Brian. As you watch my videos, I'll help you save money, avoid costly mistakes, and keep you safe. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly where water intrusion starts and how a little bit of preventative maintenance, oh man, can save your RV. You ready? Let's do this.
As a mobile RV inspector, here we are on a road, an old back road. It looks forgotten, rough, isolated, the kind of road you never want to find yourself stuck on. Well, this kind of parallels what we're going to look at today. What started out as a tiny gap in the sealant, exterior sealant, something the owner probably never even noticed, slowly allowed water intrusion to work its way inside this coach year after year. Here we are looking at this RV. Look at that. Water always wins if you give it enough time. Let's look at the other side and see the real damage. Outside trim is your RV's first line of defense. If you don't have the proper sealant, water snuck inside there. You know, when it started, what looked cosmetic on the outside can become catastrophic behind the walls. This is a Class C. This is so typical. I have seen this over and over again. Feel bad for this RV, real bad. Yeah, it started as a tiny crack. We're going to look and see a tiny crack, how it starts. But this is where it ends. Look at that. All that wood is just completely destroyed. And then mold sets in. Mold sets in. Then it's over. And it's so hot here in Texas, mold sets in right away. Just look at this thing. You feel bad for the guy. Look at it. When it gets to this point, bad news. This is bad news, people.
Well, isn't that amazing so far? Water always wins if you give it enough time. What seems like just cosmetic exterior problems can be catastrophic inside your RV. And so if you like what you've seen so far, please hit the subscribe button. That helps tremendously so you can always get these videos. But we're not done yet. Hang on, let's look at this next one. I think this will finish it off for you. You want to see this.
Okay, here we are, this very nice Integra. This, I'm telling you, this little crack, this little gap is what, gotta look close, this is what starts the massive destruction. Okay, you're gonna have to look really close. We got the flashlight, see all that sealant, but look, see that white underneath? That's exposing that. The sealant did not go all the way over that. Look how tiny that is. It's so hard to see. That's why I'm showing you today. See that right there? You can truly see the gap. We'll put a circle around that so you can see that. That right there, it's exactly where I see RVs start to deteriorate. That little silicone sealant on the exterior makes all the difference in the world. A $5 maintenance issue can become a $15,000 repair. Look at that. Who would have saw that with untrained eyes? Could not see that.
All right, isn't that incredible? The major damage that can happen in your RV? I think that's amazing. You know, most owners never inspect it and they never reseal it. By the time they realize there's a problem, it's too late, and behind those walls, there's severe damage. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Here I am, RV Brian, signing off. Remember, keep watching my videos. I'll help you save money, avoid costly mistakes, and stay safe. Let's do this.